Welcome to Time's Pulse. Today returns once again to the era of the American Civil War. It begins with a photograph showing a man sitting quietly by the river near a Confederate mill in Petersburg, Virginia, in May 1865. Due to the long exposure, the water appears like a soft mist. Mills like this were important to the Southern economy during the war. This is Lewis Powell, also known as Lewis Payne, photographed in April of 1865. He was a member of the conspiracy that targeted Abraham Lincoln. Powell attempted to assassinate Secretary of State William Seward. The attempt failed. He was later executed. His silence after capture only deepened the mystery. This is a mail wagon of the Army of the Potomac at headquarters in Falmouth, Virginia, in March of 1863. Drawn by 4 horses, it carried letters and parcels from home to soldiers in camp. Mail delivery was a lifeline, connecting the front with distant families. This 1862 image shows powerful 13-inch Seacoast mortars at Federal Battery No. 4 near Yorktown. Officers of the 1st Connecticut Heavy Artillery stand by massive barrels. These huge weapons could lob 200-pound shells over 4,000 yards during the Peninsula Campaign. These men belonged to Company B of the United States Engineer Battalion, photographed near Petersburg in August of 1864. Unlike frontline soldiers, military engineers built roads, bridges, and defenses. Their work was vital during the long siege of Petersburg. This is John Henry, photographed in October of 1863 at the headquarters of the 3rd Army Corps of the Army of the Potomac. Though not a soldier, he served as a military servant. Many African Americans supported Union forces long before they were officially allowed to enlist. This photograph shows officers of the 69th Infantry Regiment of New York at Fort Corcoran, Virginia, during the American Civil War. The regiment was made up mostly of Irish immigrants. Led by Colonel Michael Corcoran, it became a proud symbol of Irish-American loyalty to the Union cause. This is John L. Burns, a 70-year-old civilian who famously fought at the Battle of Gettysburg in 1863. Refusing to stay home, he took his old musket and joined Union soldiers. Local troops were shocked by his bravery. Wounded in battle, he later became a national hero and symbol of courage and patriotism. This broken cannon is a 300-pounder Parrott rifle that exploded on Morris Island, South Carolina, in the summer of 1863. Such bursts were not rare. Despite their power, early rifled guns often failed under pressure, endangering the very men who operated them. Accidents like this sometimes caused casualties among their own crews. This image shows Union General Herman Haupt crossing the Potomac River in a one-man pontoon boat of his own design. He created it for scouting missions and bridge inspections. A skilled civil engineer, Haupt played a key role in railroad logistics for the Union Army. His inventions helped restore vital supply lines under enemy fire. Union General Isaac Ingalls Stevens sits on a porch near Beaufort, South Carolina, in March 1862. Before the war, he served as the 1st governor of Washington Territory. Stevens was later killed leading a charge at the Battle of Chantilly. His leadership was marked by courage and political ambition. His death was a significant loss for the Union cause. Artist Alfred R. Waud of Harper's Weekly sketches the battlefield near Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, in this photograph by Timothy H. O'Sullivan. War artists like Waud played a vital role in visually documenting battles before photography became widespread and practical in the field. His work brought the war to life for readers. A soldier of the 31st Pennsylvania Infantry poses with his family at Queen's Farm near Fort Slocum, Washington, District of Columbia, in the year 1861. Daily routines included laundry, food preparation, and caring for children. Family life often followed soldiers into the camps. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy learning history through rare photographs, make sure to subscribe so you do not miss future videos. Please give this video a like and let me know in the comments which photo you found the most interesting. See you again on Time's Pulse.